Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the luxury house safes in Roblox Wanted. This tutorial is going to be super helpful for beginners as many new players struggle to find where these safes spawn the most. If this tutorial helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's do this step by step. First, you need to head over to the area right next to the Syndicate Base. Once you arrive here, you will find several houses, especially one-story and two-story homes. Next, go inside these houses and make sure to search thoroughly, including the garage areas. As you can see live on my screen, this neighborhood is where you will find multiple luxury house safes spawned in different spots. You have to find these houses too. To open them, simply interact with a safe and type in the numbers as they appear on your screen to crack it. I'm cracking these safes one after another right now, and you can see my mission progress updating. Successfully cracking 20 of these will fully complete your Lockpicker Part 2 mission. And that is the complete tutorial on where to find and crack luxury house safes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.